Hey, ladies and gentlemen. I'm posting an audio recording of the test for those of you who may like to have the test read to you. Do remember that this is an open note test, so I expect that you should be using your notes as well to do well on the test. So feel free to hit pause, go back and forth, and read certain questions, uh, and just do your best. Chapter 25 test, New Deal. As soon as Franklin Roosevelt took office, one of his first actions was to create the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, require a bank holiday shutting down all banks in America, or create the Civilian Conservation Corps. The next question. What was the purpose of the New Deal's AAA or AAA? Remember, go back in the notes and look up these programs. Was it to help car owners when their cars break down? Is it pay farmers and help them plan how many crops to grow? Or to provide cheap loans to homeowners to help them keep their homes? Next, what does the SEC attempt to do during the Great Depression and today still? Either prevent bank failures, provide farm assistance and help farmers plan their crop sizes, or regulate the stock market and prevent future stock market crashes. Next question. What does TVA stand for? Tennessee Valley Authority, Texas Valley Authority, or Tennessee Valley Agency? Next question. What was not true of the TVA? It provided jobs to thousands of workers in the Tennessee Valley. It built public projects like roads, dams, power plants, etc. Or was it available only to men with families? Remember, what was not true? How much money would the FDIC insure in a bank account when it was first founded? Not today, but when it was first founded. $500, $5,000, or $250,000? Who consistently was attacking and finding FDR's or Franklin Roosevelt's New Deal programs illegal and ended them? Congress, the Vice President, or Supreme Court? Which New Deal program created a loan program for homeowners to help them protect their homes from being taken by banks? Was it the AAA? Was it HERA, H-E-R-A, or was it HOLC, the H-O-L-C? Which of the following was not a duty or job of the Civilian Conservation Corps, or CCC? Did they did they not plant trees? Did they not create park trails? Or did they not build schools and hospitals? Again, this question was, which of these three did they not do? Next question. What was the goal of FDR's bank holiday? Was it to discourage people from using our banks? Was it to make people confident that banks had enough money when they reopened? Or was it to force a government takeover of the nation's banks? Next, which program was intended to help our nation's youth and young adults find part-time work so they could stay in school? Was it the WPA, the NYA, or the REA? Again, make sure you're looking up these programs. I wanted to add a little level of difficulty by not giving the names of them. It would make it too easy. Next question. Which program helped to spread across start that over. Which program helped to spread access to electricity to our more rural or isolated parts of the country? The NYA, the SSA, or the REA? What program was meant to create a welfare program for states? SSA, FERA, FERA, or AAA? Which of the following is true about Social Security? It was found to be illegal and shut down by the Supreme Court. The money for the program is taken out of every working American's paychecks, or it is meant to help our nation's poorest children. Again, which of the following is true? And who is not intended to be someone that benefits from Social Security? So of these three groups, somebody is not supposed to be a person who gets it. Was it older Americans and retirees, working men, or disabled Americans? Which of those three is not supposed to get Social Security? All right, good luck on the test, guys.